Hey guys, good morning. Today is the 7th of January and it's a first snowstorm for the winter time. So now I just wake up and I notice all this snow. It's still snowing and it's I don't know how many inches. Maybe it's go up to 6 inches right now, about 5, 6 inches on the ground. But it's so beautiful out here. So peaceful and beautiful. Just want you guys to see how it is. We're having our first snowstorm for the winter. The bus, there's some bus just passed there. Probably gonna go up a little more, but today's a snowy day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So people have to walk on the road. They can't walk on the sidewalk. They graded the snow already. So 6 inches of snow there right now. So peaceful when it's falling and so beautiful. That's the main road out there. But the street them yet need to clean. My car is across the street where that tree is. Oh my God, look at that. This is what they make the Christmas card with these snow when they're like that on the tree. And you sit in the card. That's how it looks. Really pretty. Yes, we had to search for her because of the snow.
Yes.
I really buy some beautiful flower here.
Yes, Sally, I found her. Sally, now is not the time. We'll talk about it.
So this is the cemetery of our Debbie Berry. So peaceful and quiet.
Thank you, Auntie Sally.
Oh, this is Debbie Gum.
I don't think he's gonna make it. Over here at the first roundabout.
Yes.
Well, it's good that they clean the road that you can drive.
Not this big fat
That's
tree.
it's crazy.
This tree here, that's coming up.
Oh wow, look at these here.
And never forget this tree. This tree here.
Oh yeah, look at.
Can't believe that's not a bench.
Oh, to get this berry right there.
So here is my backyard. Oh, look at those trees, how beautiful they look. It's all full of snow. And they stick to the branches. You know, now it's winter time, so all the leaves and everything is off. So, and imagine the birds are in those trees. to share this. Just want to share this picture on this video of our first snowstorm in New York. I used to leave my garden over there. I admire those trees though, they look very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. This is Orina Spice. I hope you all have a great day. Stay safe. I just want to share this moment with you all. Bye.